Plants produce seeds in order to reproduce. To make a seed, a flower must be pollinated. Pollen is produced in the male part of the plant, known as the stamen, and it must reach the female part of the plant, known as the stigma. Most plants can't pollinate themselves, but a large amount of orchids actually can, and this is known as self-pollination. Each part of the flower plays a key part in the role of pollination. Let's take a look at that process now. First of all, a flower's brightly coloured and fragrant petals will attract an insect to it. The insect will arrive on the flower to collect nectar, a sweet liquid that is perfect for insect food. As the insect is gathering its nectar, it will rub against the anthers, which will rub pollen onto the insect. The insect will then move and travel on to a different flower, carrying with it its pollen. As the insect feeds on the nectar on the new flower, the pollen from the very first flower will rub off onto the female part of the second flower. Part of the pollen will then travel down the style and into the ovary, where it will join onto an ovule in the ovary, which will allow fertilization to occur. The ovary of the flower turns into seeds, which will then be dispersed as the new plant grows somewhere else.